it won't turn on, and I don't know why. I don't know the reason why this new DJI Osmo Pocket 2 can't turn on. Maybe the battery is a new one. I don't know